Hello, today we're going to do a science experiment and make lava lamps. We're going to need 2 cups with water in it and some different food colorings. We're going to need some oil, and I had to go to the chemist to get Alka-Seltzer. Do not put this in your mouth, it is just for the experiment. Okay, we're going to put oil just over half of a cup in each of these cups. And we're going to put some food colouring into the water. 1 in 1 cup, different colour in this cup. I'm going to stir it this time, just so it makes it nice and colourful. Okay, we're going to pour some of the coloured water into the oil. And you can see the balls of the coloured water. Now we're going to put an Alka-Seltzer tablet into each of the oils. We're going to put half in each. And we'll watch it bubble up. I hope you have fun making lava lamps at home.